guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this look right here using some of my favorite products of all time. So if you'd like to see my everyday makeup look that is super quick and easy and out the door using some of my favorite products, then please keep on watching. And of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and we can jump right into the tutorial. So I'm going to start off with skincare because I'm a firm believer that when you look after your skin, your makeup is going to look amazing. So I'm going to reach for my SK2 facial treatment essence. I have been using this for years. This has definitely been like a constant in my ever-changing skincare routine. So I'm going to use a few drops of this on my hand, just poured into the palm of my hand. I like to press the product together and then press it onto my skin like this. So the next step is Strobe Cream. Now, if you've got dry, dull, dehydrated skin just like I do, this is going to be the perfect pick-me-up for your skin. I highly recommend that you use one of the synthetic brushes. This is the MAC Oval 6 brush. I love this brush for skincare. I use this to work in Fix Plus, moisturizers, primers. It's not so much something that I like to use for pigmented product. But what I like to do is squeeze the Strobe Cream on, almost like the Oval 8 brush is a toothbrush and the Strobe Cream is the toothpaste. And I'm literally just gonna pop that all over my skin like this, and I'm gonna work it in using the brush. It stimulates blood flow and it just helps your skin look amazing. For foundations, I'm using two of my favorites and mixing them together. This one is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This is the Kogan Dough Aqua Foundation in the shade 213. I've mentioned these foundations in my favorite foundations video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in an iCard up above and also in the description box down below. But I'm literally mixing these two equal parts together to create my ideal shade and formulation. So the way that I like to apply my foundations is with the paddle brush. I like to distribute the product all over my skin first, just like so. And you've probably seen me do this multiple times before on my channel if you have been watching me for a while. Now I'm using the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush. This is the number 7 brush. IT Cosmetics make really, really nice brushes. I'll link this particular brush down below because I'm also going to use it for my concealer. I sound like a broken record, but for concealer, I'm using the Bobbi Brown concealer. This is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. I freaking love this one. It has the perfect formula to give you like a full coverage underneath your eyes, and it isn't drying whatsoever. So if you have a dry skin type like mine, you're really going to love this one. I really like this brush from IT Cosmetics. It's dual-ended, so you're not fumbling for brushes in the morning. It's perfect for travel, for every day. And like I said, like IT Cosmetics, they're very innovative with their makeup and also their tools. It is such a beautiful brush to work with. It's synthetic too, so none of your products will get absorbed into the bristles. So everything is going straight onto the face. So you're really maximizing your product. To keep the skin looking as natural as possible, I'm gonna opt for a cheek tint. This is by Arden. I freaking love this product so much because a little goes a long way. So I'm literally gonna take whatever's on the lid. I've got a stippling brush here by the Body Shop, and I'm just going to take this amount, and this is more than enough to cover both of your cheeks. I'm literally going to do this and do this, and then blend it in very, very quickly. And this is going to make it look like you're naturally flushed. It sits beautifully on top of your skin without looking like you're wearing makeup, which is the best part about it. So as you can probably see, I look a little different, and that's because I bleached my eyebrows. So I don't have a brow pencil that matches my brow hairs right now. So I'm just going to use a clear brow gel. This one is by Benefit. And I'm just going to push my brows up like this. Now I do have a few bold spots, but I'm not going to fill them in. What I'm going to do is manipulate the direction of hair in a certain way so it kind of covers those bold patches, kind of like a brow comb over, if you will. Instead of using like a typical highlighter that comes in like a powder form, I'm using this light booster by MAC. This is the Prep and Prime light booster. When I don't want an insane highlight that's super glittery and obvious, I will opt for this every single time, and I'll pop it on the high points of my face just to give me a really nice glow. Just gonna press that in. To set the center of my face, I'm using this loose Lancome powder. This is in the shade number 1, I believe. So I'm just gonna take a small amount of that on my Cosmetics brush and just press it in underneath the eyes. And I'm also gonna use this like on my smile lines and around the mouth area as well. I'm now using the Celebration Foundation by Cosmetics on the areas where I have blemishes or I have concealed my blemishes. So I'm going up here. I'm gonna work it on my cheek area because I do have some pigmentation that I just want to help cover up and set. Do the same for the other side. I love how much this powder just perfects the skin, but keeps it looking very dewy and skin-like and pretty and airy. I'm a huge fan of this product right here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. This is such a beautiful shade for lighter or paler skin tones. It's a very, very well formulated bronzer, and the shade is just spot on. So I'm gonna use that to warm up the back of my face and to also sculpt my face while we're there, just to give my, I guess, face some overall shape. I'm also going to use this highlighting shade as an eyeshadow all over my mobile lid, like so. Oh, this is so flattering. My goodness, this looks so pretty on the eyes. I'm also going to take that bronze shade once again. I'm going to do a slight bit of work through the socket. To make my eyes look bigger, I just ever so slightly take my eyeshadow out past the end of my eye, and it just gives the illusion of bigger eyes. So that's my little trick of trying to make your eyes look bigger without having to use eyeliner or anything like that. You guys, I have to show you this mascara. This is the MAC Bold and Bad Lash Mascara. You have 2 wands in this mascara. You've got this itty bitty wand for your lower lashes and like this big mama wand for your top lashes. So I'm able to get like the prettiest lash look using this mascara. So we're gonna do bottom lashes first so we don't smudge our mascara onto our top lid. Oh yeah. I know a lot of people don't like to apply mascara on their bottom lashes, but when I'm not wearing liner, I want my lashes to be big, like super big. And this is where the magic happens, people. Are you ready? Push and wiggle. In between the lashes, you're creating like a zigzag effect. Look at that. Now I've been layering this mascara and layering this mascara and it doesn't clump. Like you can really build up your lash look using this mascara right here, and I'll make sure to link it down below. Okay, so the lip pencil that I reach for almost every single time is the MAC Boldly Bare lip pencil. I am obsessed. Everybody needs this pencil in their life. Been obsessed, like obsessed with the Bare Minerals lip glosses. This is the Gen Nude lip gloss in the shade Boy Toy. I'm gonna pop it on my lips. Like so. And it's just going to make our lips look super wet looking and juicy. I'm now going to take the rose or pink illuminating Fix Plus spray, and I'm going to set my whole entire face so we can get a really nice dewy look. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell to stay up to date with future videos. I love you and I look forward to seeing you in a brand new video next week. Bye. Mwah.